Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix contact poster not working. For example, if you have recently updated to latest iOS 17 update and you see that your contact poster is not working anymore, so how you can fix that. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to go to general. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your settings, and after doing all reset settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go for your Wi-Fi and check whether your Wi-Fi is working properly or not, which means it is connected to internet or not. And if it is connected to internet, and you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router so that it can work properly. Now if you want to fix your contact poster, the first step is that you can simply fix it from the iMessage. For example, if you have a iMessage and you have sent the person the message, then you can simply go for that icon here, and after that you can simply send that person a message, and you can simply edit that person contact poster in your iMessage section. But if you have already sent that person a message, then you have to simply click on that person profile, and here you can simply find the option of info. So here you can simply click on edit, and you can simply edit all the information of that person. And after adding information, you can simply check all the necessary setting and add poster of your requirement. For example, here you can simply change the poster. You have to click on that, and you can simply customize all the contact poster of that person. You can simply add photos and all other necessary things. If it is working for you, then it is well and good. If it is not working for you, then what you can do for the next step, which is as that you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down, and you have to go to general, and here you have to click on software update, and you have to check whether you have installed the latest iOS update, because in iPhone many problems are solved by the latest iOS version of the iOS 17. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.